Hello YouTube, Sam here from youtube.com/onlivegamer for the new Boston. And in this tutorial we're going to be talking about infinite loops. Now you're not going to be learning any code in this tutorial. I'm just going to be teaching you about something that is somewhat common and something that you need to stay away from when you're programming. So let's go ahead and create a new project. Make sure you have selected console application, and we will just call this infinite loops. Now we will go ahead and click OK. Now let's zoom in some here. Okay, so basically what an infinite loop is it's a loop that's going to run forever and it's never going to stop. Now I'll go ahead and show you an example of an infinite loop. So we can go ahead and declare a variable right here, dim num1 as integer, and we'll set it equal to 10. Now we're not actually going to use that right now, but I will show you a different example of an infinite loop. So we'll just type do, and we're just going to loop while true. So basically what this means is that it's going to loop forever because it's always true. There's no variable right here. There's nothing that could possibly equal false. It's always going to equal true, and by it there's nothing specified, so it's always going to be true and it's going to loop forever. Now that might be a little confusing, but it's just for the sake of an example. So we'll just do console.writeLine. Let's just do onlivegamer. And now if we go ahead and run this, you can see that it prints onlivegamer over and over and over again. Now you can see that it doesn't look like there's anything wrong with my program. It's running actually quite smoothly and fast, but that is all thanks to the .NET garbage collector. Now basically what the .NET garbage collector does is it cleans up old resources that you aren't using anymore in your program, and it keeps it running smoothly, and it keeps it from hogging all of your computer's resources. And it's doing a very good job of cleaning up all the stuff left behind by this infinite loop, and it's not going to crash the program. But in languages, for example, like Java, if you create an infinite loop, it's just going to go ahead and crash your program almost instantly. Now let's go ahead and close out of this, and I'll show you a more real-life example of something that you might run into when you're programming. So we'll just go ahead and loop while num1 is greater than 5. Let's go ahead and take out this comment right here so that num1 is actually declared. And if we go ahead and run this, you can see that it loops forever because num1 is always going to be greater than 5 because we didn't increment num1 during the iterations of the do while loop. So you can see it's just going to run forever and ever and ever, and it's not going to stop. Now we can also just take this statement right here and move it back up here at the top, and it'll still create an infinite loop, and it's just going to loop forever. So thanks for watching, guys. You didn't learn very much programming in this tutorial, actually none at all, but this was something that I really wanted to cover in a video, and it's something that you'll probably run into quite often, and you probably already have, and you didn't know what was going on. So go ahead and move on to the next tutorial, and thanks for watching.